Yes. So this example, right? Let's go through it again. 2 whole 3/4 plus 3/7, right? It's a mixed fraction plus a fraction. So first we have to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction, which is very easy part. Then we found the LCM of 4 and 7, which comes to 28. Then we converted these two fractions into like fractions by finding their equivalent fractions. Then once they are made into like fractions, it is simple addition. Now question is about 89, that is it a prime or composite number. We checked that it is not divisible by 2, it is not divisible by 3, right? Is it divisible by 5? No chance, because the last digit is 9. Is it divisible by 7? Is it? No, it is not, right? 7 1 is 7 and 19 will come, so it is again not divisible. So 89 comes to a prime number. Okay, and we have got 28. So what do? We divide 89 by 28, and we know that 28 ones are 28, 28 twos are 56, and 28 threes are is going to be 84. Okay, so we have got 9 minus 4 is 5 and 8 minus 8 is 0. So this is part of your rough work. So final answer is this 3. It's in quotient. So that is the whole number. Then this is your remainder, which becomes your numerator. Yes. And your denominator is same. So that is your answer. Okay, 3 whole 5 upon 28 is your final answer. Yes. Okay, everyone. Yes. Yeah, my voice is clear for the rest of the students, so I don't know what is the question with you, Slok. Okay, maybe you can try some headphones. Okay, everyone understood this example, right? Now we are going to take one more example of addition, right? Number 2. 3 plus 1 whole 2 upon 5. 1 whole 2 upon 5. Okay. Yes, Dij, we will take the questions in the last, right? 3 whole 1 up 1 upon 1, sorry, 3 plus 1 whole 2 upon 5. Okay, so how do we solve these type of example? Well, I have informed you, right? We had discussed this, that any whole number is can be written, it can be written in a form of fraction as 3 upon 1 plus 1 whole 2 upon 5. Okay. Okay, now, so 1 whole 2 upon 5, I can write it, it is a mixed fraction. So what I will do, I will convert it into improper fraction. 5 ones are 5, 5 plus 2 7, so 7 upon 5. Okay, so first step is easy. First you have to convert this whole number into a fraction and this mixed fraction into improper fraction. Okay, now finding LCM. 1 and 5 both are prime numbers, right? 1 is unique number, we know that, and 5 is prime number. So their LCM is going to be 1 into 5, which is 5. Okay, this part is easy because in this example the denominators are very easy. So first we have to convert it into 3 upon 1 is equal to somewhere upon something upon 5. So obviously what we will do, we will multiply it with 5. So 3 5s are 15. Okay, and 7 upon 5, there is no need to change because it is with 5 only. Okay, so how do we add this? Very simple. Now they are both like fraction, so 15 upon 5 plus 7 upon 5, which is 5, 15 plus 7, which is 22 upon 5. Now the final question, in this calculation. The final question, is this your final answer? No, because this is an improper fraction. So we must convert it to the final answer will be 5 fours are 20. You can do the division, right? And you will get 4 whole 2 upon 5. Okay, everyone? Yes? Okay, everyone? Understood? Now this is where, see, the problem you will be facing right now is, if you compare your classes with your parallel classes like 5th red and 5th green, right? They have already reached multiplication and division, but we took more time in understanding the basic problems of fraction. Yes, the reason I took more time is for this only, so that you can practice a lot, right? If you haven't practiced, then you will have troubles. Okay, so again I'm going to ask you, ask your parents, ask your friends to give you different fractions and keep them converting improper fraction to mixed fraction to improper fractions, right? Keep on adding and subtracting problems. Okay, now we are going to do similar way. What we are going to do is, we are going to another example number 3. Okay, I know you might find it little bit faster because now you can do it. Okay, you might find this little bit going faster as compared to our previous lectures, है ना? Even one of the student requested, sir, show me the previous slide. I'm not going to do that for now. Why? Because now you should be able to do all these sums on your own. Okay, so let's do one more example, that 5 whole 3/4 minus 5 whole 3/4 minus 2. Okay, now this is a subtraction example where there is a mixed fraction and a whole number. Okay, so first step, we convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. 5 fours are 20. 20 plus 3 is 23 upon 4 minus 2 upon 1. Yes, easy, right? Now what we have to do, we have to find LCM. LCM is very easy because 1 and 4 are there, so all you have to do is 1 fours are, which is 4 only, because yes. Okay, now LCM is 4, so what we do, this 23 upon 4, we don't need to change it because it already has 4, so there is no need to change. And 2 upon 1 we have to change, right? So it becomes 4. How does it become 4? 1 4 is 4, so 2 4 is 8. So we have got 23 upon 4 minus 8 upon 4. Yes. Okay, so the next step is 4 is common in both the cases, so 23 minus 8, and we know 23 minus 8 is 15. 15 upon 4. But is this the final answer? Yes or no? Is this the final answer? Yes or no? Come on, everyone, type in. No, it is correct answer. It is not the final answer. Yes, what we have to do is, we have to convert it into mixed fraction. We know that 4 4 is 16, so that is not going to work out. The answer will be 4 3s are 12 and 3 is remainder. So 3 whole and 3/4. Okay, that is your final answer. Okay, that is your final answer. Okay, yes, everyone. Okay, so these are examples. Now since we have understood proper fractions, improper fractions, mixed fractions, whole numbers, right? What is the most important part when adding or subtracting examples? Everyone, Shlok, pay attention. Pay attention, everyone. What is the most important part? Dwij, you also pay attention. What is the most important part in solving these examples? First of all, you must make sure that denominator is same, that is they are like fraction. If they are not like fractions, you have to make them. To make them like fractions, you must find their LCM, okay, and equivalent fractions. Okay, once you do that, then it becomes very easy. It's simple addition subtraction, but the denominator is not added, it is not subtracted. Denominator remains same only. Yes, okay everyone, right? Very easy examples. Only thing is you will have to do lots of practice, and I'm making sure of it. Today I'm going to send 3 worksheets that you will have to do. Okay, and workbook you have to do it on your own. The workbook that you have, okay, that you have to do on your own. Okay, so addition and subtraction is over here. Okay, we are going to complete with we are going to finish up with addition and subtraction. The next step is multiplication. And multiplication, actually we already have started. You know where? Do you know where? Yes, do you know where? Yes, Nirja, tell me. Unmute karo beta.
Sir, I can't see the screen.
Okay, let me try it again. You can't say. Now it is visible. Is it visible? Is the screen visible? Give me a thumbs up. Can you see the screen? Can you see multiplication written on it? Is it visible? Akshat, is it visible? Yes, okay, I have got many thumbs up. That's good enough. Okay, so multiplication, where have you seen? Yes, where have you seen multiplications? In finding equivalent fractions. है ना? In finding equivalent fractions. We just did for making equivalent fractions, right? So multiplication is very easy. Let me show you. Right? Let me show you. So 3 upon 4, okay, into say 2 upon 3. This is multiplication example. Okay, I'm taking one example. So what do we do here? In multiplication, it is little bit different. It is just little bit different from addition and subtraction. In addition and subtraction, we do not add or subtract the denominator, correct? Yes, but remember this, when it comes to multiplication, we multiply the denominator. How? The denominator is multiplied with denominator and numerator is multiplied with numerator. Okay, yes, understood everyone? Give me a thumbs up. Very simple step. Give me a thumbs up if you understand this step. All you have to do is multiply them. Simple. Numerator, what is on the upside, you have to multiply. Or what is on the downside, that you have to multiply. Okay, very simple step. Okay, yes. Now this is where it gets little bit tricky. This is where it gets, next step is little bit tricky. Why? Because here now we have to see that what is common needs to be cancelled. You remember my my rhyme? Common, 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 cancel. We get common, common, cancel. We get answer. Okay, it's very easy. Okay, so what happens is, pay attention. Here there is 1 3, here there is 1 3, so 3 and 3 cancelled. Okay, now 2 cancelled, and here 2 2s are 4. Okay, yes, everyone understood this part? Give me a thumbs up if you have understood this. Give me a thumbs up if you have understood this. Shlok? Yes, very good. Very good. So many thumbs up. Manvi Modi, did you understand? I haven't seen your thumbs up today. If you haven't, please type, show me thumbs down. Yes, very good. Thank you. Thank you. Yes, Priyal, did you understand? Good. Very good. So the final answer will be 1 upon 2. So the question is, where did this 1 come from? Since both are cancelled, shouldn't it be 0? No, it cannot be 0. Because if you remember, any number is actually can be written as 2 ones are 2. I can always write this. Yes, and 1 divided by 1 is also 1, right? 1 divided by 1 is not 0, correct? 1 divided by 1 is not 0. Okay, so in division, if you cancel everything from top, then what is left is 1. Okay, yes, everyone, don't worry if you don't understand this, it's fine. We will be taking this in the next session also, right? We will be doing lot many examples of multiplication also, है ना? Okay, so I'll be giving you some homework, right? Some of the examples from the workbook and some examples from the separate worksheet that I have made. Okay, I have created some very interesting worksheets, so you have to do that. Okay, understood everyone? Yes, multiplication, don't worry, we will continue in the next session also. Multiplication and division we will continue. Okay, yes, that's it for the day. Now we will take the questions. One by one. Okay, so first we will start with Devashri. Where is Devashri? Let's find out. Devashri. Yes, unmute yourself, Devashri, and talk to me. Devashri, unmute yourself, beta. देवश्री, हाँ बोलो, बोलो बेटा, बोलो, आप बोल सकते हो बेटा, हाँ बोलो, आवाज करो, हाँ अभी बोलो, हाँ,
I don't know how to fraction.
बोलो आगे.
Is the meaning of fourth upon fourth?
I am not able to hear you. You can take help from your parents, you can take help from your friends, है ना? And if you still have questions, please comments. बेटा आपकी आवाज बहुत कट रही है, कोई बात नहीं, आप फ्रेंड से हेल्प ले सकते हो, मम्मी पापा से हेल्प ले सकते हो, और अगर फिर भी बात नहीं बनती है, अगर आपको फिर भी समझ में नहीं आता है, तो फिर आपको यहाँ पे स्कूल पे आना होगा, है ना? then we will sort it out. Okay, if it is required. Okay, right. Anyone else with a question? Jia, don't worry, we will take multiplication tomorrow also, है ना? Okay, Jia, right. Anyone else? Homework I'll share with you in MCB. Okay, you will get it in your diary. Dwij has a question. Yes, Dwij, bolo, unmute karo, unmute.
Sir,
हाँ.
sir, you do in addition and subtraction today. Sir, sir, there is 3 upon 7 multiply upon 28. So, sir, when, sir, 3 multiply 4, 12. How will it come, answer?
Sorry?
Sir, there is 3 7.
Hmm.
Multiply.
Huh. 3 upon 7. Yes.
Then 4 4. 4
Hmm.
upon 4 is
Hmm.
equal to 12 upon 28.
Hmm. So 3 forza is 12. 7 forza is 28. You can see it on the screen. 3 forza is 12. 7 forza is 28. 11 sevens are 77. 4 sevens are 28. What is the
Sir,
question?
Sir, but I don't know that the 4 upon 4, how will it come 4 upon 4?
We want to make 28. How can we make 7 into 28? 7 forza is 28. Yes or no?
Yes,
Okay. So we have to multiply the denominator with 4. Correct?
yes.
Okay. So if you want to multiply the denominator with 4, you must multiply the numerator with 4. Because 4 upon 4, 4 divided by 4, what is the answer?
16.
4 divided by, multiply by, nahi Dwij. Pay attention, beta. 4 divided by 4. What is the answer?
1.
So any number multiply by 1, does it make a difference? Any number multiplied by 1, does it make a difference?
Yes.
What? Yes. We can then it makes no difference, beta. Any number multiplied by 1 is the same number. If I multiply 25 by 1, what will be the answer? 25 ones are?
25.
Yes. So this is actually the same fraction. 3 upon 7 is same as 12 upon 28 because they both have 4 in common. We can cancel out 4 and we will get 3 upon 7. That's what equivalent fraction is all about. Where were you when I was teaching equivalent fraction, beta? Hai? That's what it is.
Sir, there is network problem.
Okay. Okay. That's it for the day then. Right? Okay. Right? Okay. Jeet has a question. Yes, Jeet? Bolo beta.
Sir, can you please tell me the worksheet number in workbook?
Sorry, beta.
Sir, can you please tell me the worksheet number
You
in
will get the
workbook?
homework in MCB. Understood?
Okay, sir.
Good. Very good. You will get your
Thank you,
questions. Okay. That's it for the day. Bye bye.
Bye, sir. Have a good day. Thank you.